So a couple of new images of the Insta360 X6 have surfaced recently, and they come from WinFuture, a source with a very solid track record when it comes to product leaks. The leak includes what appear to be official marketing images along with retailer information, giving us our clearest look yet at the camera's design and few recording capabilities, and even its expected pricing ahead of launch. The most obvious change is the design. Instead of the tall, narrow body we've seen on the X3, X4, and X5, the X6 adopts a noticeably shorter form factor, making it look much closer to DJI's Osmo 360. Speaking of DJI, the company is also making headlines for a different reason. The FCC has stepped up its scrutiny of companies suspected of importing DJI-related products under different brand names. The investigation is still ongoing, so we'll have to see where it leads. But for now, let's get back to the X6. Beyond the shorter body, the leaked images reveal several design refinements. The corners are now more rounded, the Insta360 branding has been simplified. One of the biggest interface changes is that several physical controls have been moved onto the touchscreen, while the familiar Quick or Q button is being replaced with red accent button. However, the leak does not identify the purpose of it, so it remains unclear whether Insta360 has reassigned their functions or simply refreshed their appearance. The front grille beneath the lens has also been redesigned. While both cameras retain a hexagonal grille in the same location, the X6's version is noticeably larger and incorporates a rectangular insert. Additional grille openings are also visible along the side and rear of the camera. These changes could indicate a revised microphone layout or other internal hardware refinements, but Insta360 has not yet confirmed their purpose. Another interesting change is the battery mechanism. The X5 uses two locking latches to secure the battery, while the X6 appears to replace them with a single flush rectangular control. This points to a redesigned battery door or release system. Several smaller refinements are visible as well. The front status LED appears slightly larger and easier to see while recording. The textured grip along the sides has been refined with a finer pattern, and the protective rings around each lens now feature a segmented design instead of the smoother housing used on the X5. The biggest confirmed hardware improvement, however, is video recording. According to the leaked marketing material, the Insta360 X6 will support 8K 360-degree recording at up to 50 frames per second. For comparison, the current X5 tops out at 8K 30 frames per second. That's a significant jump in frame rate, allowing much smoother footage during fast-moving scenes while also providing more flexibility for slow-motion editing without sacrificing resolution. Alongside the hardware redesign, the WinFuture leak also points to a price increase. According to the retailer listings, the standard Insta360 X6 is expected to launch at €689, while the Essentials bundle could be priced at €789. For comparison, the Insta360 X5 debuted at €589, meaning the X6 may arrive with a €100 higher starting price. If these prices prove accurate, the increase suggests Insta360 is positioning the X6 as a more premium upgrade, although whether the new design and improved 8K 50 frames per second recording justify the extra cost will ultimately depend on the full specifications and real-world performance. Peace.